you from? 早速来たぞ。Okay. Get naked! Can I have those photos? I've never been that far. Oh my god! Nice body. いいね。Next time! パシャパシャ、パシャパシャ。Get those nudes, hell yeah. Wow, nice thighs. Damn, he got good thighs. Ah! What the frick? You can drive, but it gives you anxiety? I mean, it's pretty scary. I remember Papa Shark. Papa Shark was like, well, girl, if you want to learn to drive, I just need to sit you down here for a second. I need to tell you that that is a 2-ton vehicle hurtling at speeds that are very inhuman, and one wrong move could hurt a lot of people. Okay, no pressure, kid. Go get him. Thanks, Pops! Jeez! No thanks! I'll stick to the bicycle. Or better yet, my feet. Ow, we're making hoodle! Hoodle doodle! Let me make this a bit prettier. What are you laughing there, Mrs. Ina?
Mrs.?
Mm-hmm.
Who am I married to? You?
What?
You said Mrs. Mrs. is for...
Ah.
someone who's married.
Well, it sounds cuter.
Well, as long as I'm married to you, I'm fine.
Oh, come on! Ina! I didn't bring you here to flirt with me, although I do enjoy that, but I brought you here for artistic input, you little Da Vinci.
You started it.
I didn't. What? I did not. I tried to be professional by calling you Mrs. Well, you know, like a title. So I would like you to be professional right now, Miss Ina. If you if you want me to call you Miss.
Miss is fine.
Miss.
I mean to be already divorced.
なんでもって言ったよね。よいしょ。アイリスちゃんも招待したいね。あ、なんかわかんないけどミコ、アイリスちゃんの子供になってたで、ファンアートで。アイリスにすごい嫌な顔されてた。二次創作でなんかミコ、子供になってたで。なんで？
Okay, listen. There we go.
Ah no! I didn't mean to press that.
Drop that on the ground so it doesn't get in the way. Make it till you break it. Make it till you break it. Come on, come on. Oh wait, where'd the bottle go? Damn it!
ダメだね。ダメよ。ダメなのよ。
Meditate. Meditate. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. It's not the baby's fault.
いて！俺！
Am I having fun right now? I'm having fun. I'm having fun. Are you having fun? Are you enjoying your stay? I'm having fun. Are you having fun? Time goes by so quickly. I wish I was Amelia Watson. I'm not just a detective. I'm also... time... champion!
Can you do her impression?
These are her hicks. and then she goes like,
Live's #1 detective, Amelia Watson.
But can you do her?
Yeah, I can't do her like a gremlin laugh.
You can't?
Or
Did you
noises.
try and Discord didn't pick it up? Because I want to hear it.
No, I just can't do it.
Are there any takodachis in the audience now? Raise your hands. Raise your flippy flaps. I want to know if she's hiding something from me. Does she have an inner gremlin that she ever showed to you? Maybe not. Yes? They say yeah!
They're lying.
You know. Takonachis, I need a clip as proof, please. I would love to
Yeah,
look
you
at
don't
that.
have a clip.
No gremlin, only comfy. Very contradicting the opinions. Naruhodo? You know, you're suspiciously quiet. Maybe there is a gremlin inside of you.
No, I'm just waiting for them to show proof. I mean, is there proof? I don't think so. You can't just make up stuff, you know?
Ah, キアラの北京ダックの話するか。一昨日ぐらいにちょっと寝るかと思ったんだけど寝つけなくて、でなんかキアラ配信してんじゃんと思ってキアラの配信見たんね。キアラのさ配信画面どんなになってるか知ってる？まあ一見ね普通に見えると思うんですけどね、これをねこうしてもうねやられちゃってるんだよね。これやられちゃってるお前やったみたいな、お前やっちゃったもしかしてこれって聞いたらさ、なんかいや違うんですみたいな、いやなんかこれは本当に違くてみたいな、帽子は売っててみたいなでなんかいやでも売ってたんで盗んでないんですけどみたいな、いや言い訳苦しすぎやろと。これさ何が怖いってさ、なんかさキアラそこそこ物騒なもん持ってるっていうのがめっちゃ怖くねこれ。いやお前これあれやん、最強のテオノじゃん。テオノってさ、なんかゾンビ映画とかで最強の武器だからさ、テオノマジで強いからな、ゾンビ映画とかで。テオノ北京ダックってあれアヒルじゃないよね。北京ダックってさ、あれって何？北京ダック北京ダックっておい、そうだ、アヒルじゃねえかお前。
Summarize each member from hololive-EN in one word. That's too difficult. Let's see. Ina, calm. Kiara, boisterous. Callie, cool. Gra. 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 Great! Iris? Sweet. There, finally. Ooh, Scott.
Wait, no! No! Not that! Ow, 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 ow. No, 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 no. Please don't squish me. Wait, I don't know how to use this. Yeah. Please. Please. Ow!
You're alone, and now you're gonna die that way.
I died. Is there like a shortcut to make the...
Pika! The Pokemon looks so dumb. Catch me! I didn't jump. Way to not try, you guys. Thank you. Alright, let's go. Where are your pants? He's not wearing any pants. What is your problem? Everybody else has pants. What makes you so different? Go put some pants on. We can't get into this party without pants. Put some pants on. Two of you have no pants. review, which I think we'll do next week, will probably be about symbiotic relationships. Do you think maybe me and you, teammates, maybe we have a symbiotic relationship? Oh. So I personally I have like a few favorite symbiotic relationships that I want to talk about next week, which include me and teammates. But yeah, so anyways.
でっかいの作るから。てかアニスちゃんってさ、JP そばに来たの？ねえ、よいしきさん。そうだよ。わー、間違えて入った。あれ、アイリスちゃんもポンの1位もしかしてポンメンバー？
I am playing on the EN server today. I don't know where I am. Ah! Ha! Where am I? Wait, is this a JP server? Huh? Is this JP server? Ah! Ooh, this is a nice shrine. Ah! Ow. My hero! My hero! 私のヒーローだ。いや、すごい気がしてる。
アイリスさんがね、ログインされてね、JP サーバーに。おってなって。マイクラの中の時間が夜になっちゃってさ、ゾンビ湧くやん。でも、ポルカアイリスちゃんがね、どれぐらいのマイクラ知識があるかそもそも知らなくって、配信つけたらゾンビと遊んでるから、ババってなっちゃってすごい探し回りながらゾンビ倒してたら、ようやくデスルーラーして初期地点に帰ってきたら、ここだーっつって確認して、とりあえず寝させなければ彼女をって意外と後ずっと見てたら、ちょっとポポンポポンポンポポンポンポポンポンポポポンポンポポンポンってなってて、そうだね、ポルカもみこちとの開口は楽しみだな。
なんかポンな空気はちょっとあったけど、もしかしてポンメンバー同じ匂いする？もしかしてだけど、スタッフが間違えてたよ。あ、そっか。一緒にしないで。すいません。
Loser. Wait, can you spell other words with this?
Horny. 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 I'm horny.
Can you spell yabai?
Wow, loading now. はい、こちらね、How I imagine the Minecraft module is going to go. ホロライブのイングリッシュサーバーと日本サーバーが合併したらというねことですね。This is my blood boing boing day. I really like it. This one is mine. ブランドボインボインを収穫しようとしているミコチですね。ブロンドボインボインが好きだから、やっぱりね、ブロンドボインボインイングリッシュのアメちゃんをね、捕獲しようとしているんですけれどもね。アメちゃんも大概変態じゃん。アメちゃん、もうはーちゃんもアメちゃんがやばいっていうね、切り抜きを見た気がするんだよね。
What's that swirly thing to the side?
Yes, the nipples.
The what? You're gonna put two in there? Yep. You're gonna make them have a baby? Yes. Wait, what? Okay.
See? Oh, opai. It's opai.
Bye.
One opai.
感じですね。もう全然マインクラフトと関係ないけどもね。海外日韓わたままって呼ばれるのってなんか由来あんの？いや、わかんない。なんか知らん間にわたままって呼ばれることはなんか増えてきたけど。海外劇の中ではカリオペちゃんがパパでわためがママなの。あ、そうなの？あ、でもなんか確かにダディみたいに見た気がする。カリオペダディ。
Callie reminds me of my dad. Fuck you, chat!
We're down to 20 seconds.
Kelly reminds me of my dad.
キアラには内緒だよ。